Okay, we are now going to talk about what if I need to know what the part is, what that smaller piece is. So reading through my problem, it says, what is, oh, I see one of my percent words. I'm going to make a note of that. 12% of 15. And here's another one of our percent words. So I need to identify the numbers that I have and then sort them into where they go. So the first thing I see is that there's a percent sign. Anytime there's a percent sign, that's the percent. So 12 is our percent. Okay. Then the other word I see is of 15. So it's going to be out of 15. That's the bigger portion. And that's going to be our whole. And then that means that the thing I don't know is the part. And it says, what is? We don't know what is. That's the thing I don't know. And is goes with the part. So one of our setups is the part over the whole equals the percent over 100. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. So I have my setup, my proportion. I have the numbers sorted. So now in my setup, I'm going to replace the words with the numbers that they go with. So the whole is 15. So instead of the word whole, I'm going to put 15. 12 is my percent. That always goes over the 100. And I don't know the part. And I put a question mark in the place of the thing I don't know. And that's how I write my question marks. I know they look weird. I don't know how else to do it. That's my question mark. After I have things put into my proportion, I'm going to cross multiply. So this way we have question mark times 100 equals, and then we're going to cross multiply the other way. 15 times 12. Then I multiply what I can. I don't know what question mark times 100 is, so I'm going to leave that as it is right now. Leave it as question mark times 100. I can, with my calculator, do 15 times 12, and when I just typed that in, I used my calculator, you get 180. So I want to know what question mark is, but right now it's being multiplied by 100. So I need to get rid of that multiplying by 100. And I'm going to do that by doing the opposite thing, which is dividing by 100. So that gets rid of the 100. So I get question mark by itself. And when I do 180 divided by 100, I get 1.8. So the next method is the equation method. And the nice thing is, I've already sorted part, whole, and percent, so I'm not going to do that again. We have our setup, and we have our answer. So the setup for this one is that the part is equal to the percent divided by 100 times the whole. The whole is 15. Actually, I'm going to start left to right. I don't know what the part is, so I'm going to put my question mark there. Is equal to, my percent is 12, divided by 100 times, and then the whole is 15. So whenever I have these, I like to start by changing my percent to a decimal. So I'm going to do that 12 divided by 100, which is 0.12. And then I only do one step at a time. So in between, I just rewrite everything else, right? I've only focused on that one step, so I'm just gonna replace that one thing. And now I can do this multiplication, 0.12 times 15. Which is 1.8. So you get the same thing, two different ways.